Okay, so good morning, everybody. So my name is Antoine Cabot. I'm a co-founder and CEO of Haploid. So Haploid is a mobile software editor specialized on two platforms, the most innovative platforms that we can find today on the mobile market, which are the Apple iPhone and all devices based on Android operating system provided by Google. I suppose that most of you have an iPhone or a G1, so I will not go into details on why the iPhone has completely changed the way we use our mobile, and I will go straight to what Haploid can do. So behind Haploid are four highly educated telecom experts with years of experience with operators and mobile manufacturers. And our main goal is to offer useful applications to mobile users by helping companies to enter into the mobile application stores provided by Apple and Google, so the App Store and the Android market. We also want to include the mobile user into the process of creation of mobile application. And finally, we would like to focus on sustainable development applications and community-based services. So here are some figures of the App Store on the left and the Android market on the right. So you can see that the number of downloads and applications is larger on the App Store, of course, because it has a 6 months history. So at Haploid, we think the smartphone market will be led by these two platforms for the next few years, thanks to the openness and the incredible brand power Apple and Google provide. So 6 months after the App Store's huge success, every big player of the mobile industry wants to do the same way, like Microsoft or RIM or Nokia. And at Haploid, we will focus our development on these two platforms because we think this will be the two biggest ones in the next few years. So we have founded the company in July 2008, a few days after the launch, the official launch of the App Store. And we have released 7 applications on the App Store. And we will release 2 Android applications by the end of the year. We already know that it will be a big success because all founders were waiting for a long time now for a simple way to get application on their mobile. And our first idea was to develop really basic applications to see how many downloads we can get mainly on the European market. So we have developed a powerful RSS reader called RSS Store. The idea is to provide a repository of feeds to users. They can submit their own feeds, and then it will be shared with all other users of the application. So we have 50,000 users using the app every day in France, and we are now ready to launch the app in the US. And finally, on all our applications, we have more than 70,000 downloads in 6 months. On business model, we have experienced several business models with our applications on the iPhone. And as you probably know, it's really hard to sell an application for more than $1 on the App Store. So it's really hard to make money on the App Store today. And the other solution is to distribute the application for free with advertising. But it really damages the user experience. So we don't think it's a good way to do. So the best business model for the App Store seems to be a revenue sharing with a content service provider, like a website or something which has a lot of content to share to users and will benefit from geolocation, for example, on the iPhone, or simply development as a white-branded company. Okay, so I'd like to show you a demo, but the problem is that there is no projector to show you the application on the iPhone, and I don't have any internet connection yet. So Unfortunately, I will not be able to show you a demo of this application. So the application is called Green Card. I will just try to launch it, but I suppose that, yeah, it will fail, of course. So the application is called Green Card. So it's based on sustainable development, and it is a community-centric app. So the idea is that you create an account, and we will generate for you a business card, and you will be able to share it with your contacts simply by entering first name, last name, or email, or simply shoot a 2D code, which is in behind your card. So I encourage you to download the app from the App Store. It will be available, I hope so, tomorrow, because I'm still waiting from Apple validation. One big thing with this application is that when you modify your business card, all your contacts will be updated automatically. And we will soon integrate with existing social network like Facebook or LinkedIn. The business model for this application is the first version of the application is free of charge, and we will deliver a premium version with advanced design customization of your card soon. Okay, finally, at Haploid, we want to make mobile application useful for users. So that's why we let users explain their idea of mobile application through our website. So we have a special page on our website, which you can visit. People can submit their ideas of application to be sure that they will use them after. And today we have more than 25 ideas of applications we're waiting for development. So thank you for your attention. You can get our apps by simply typing Haploid into the App Store. And have a good day, and see you soon at the conference.